Oh my goodness, the countdown is on. We have a mastermind workshop that we put together. I absolutely cannot wait. And once you are registered, you will receive your workbook. The workbook is phenomenal. So then you can gauge which day that you want to come, or you can go through the whole workshop for free. For free, guys. That is it. All you have to do is register early before the 24th hits, and you'll have 4 coaches, 4 different styles. You can ask questions and everything. Carolina, how do you feel about this workshop?
I'm also so excited because we are going to come with our expertise and with all the things that we learn from helping other families. So it's not about just one topic. It's a collective information and experiences. And we are moms. We know that we need this information. It makes such a difference in our families, and I hope it's going to make such a difference in your family as well. So everything you need to do is register in the TikTok or Facebook or Instagram and follow other videos, get to know a little bit better about what we are talking about, and come, and we're waiting for you there.